Hello everyone. Welcome to UPSC Explainer 101. Today, we'll explore Chapter 4, India on the Eve of Conquest from Spectrum. Let's dive in. Analyze the factors that led to the decline of the Mughal Empire. Answer: succession wars and weak rulers. The continuous struggle for power among successors weakened the central authority. Aurangzeb's policies, his religious orthodoxy and Deccan campaigns drained resources. External invasions by Nadir Shah and Ahmad Shah Abdali led to significant territorial and economic losses. Internal revolts and rise of regional powers. The lack of effective control over distant territories allowed regional powers like Hyderabad, Bengal, and the Marathas to rise. Discuss the socio-economic conditions in 18th century India. Answer: agriculture, predominantly agrarian with feudal land systems, marked by inefficiency and high taxes. Industry and trade, decline in handicrafts due to European competition, but some regions like Bengal and Gujarat maintained trade links. Socio-cultural stagnation, rigidity in caste system, patriarchy, and general stagnation in cultural advancements. Economic disparity, a stark contrast between the impoverished majority and the affluent ruling class. Elucidate the role of regional powers in shaping the political landscape of India during the 18th century. Answer: Hyderabad and Bengal emerged as independent entities, focusing on regional governance and economic development. Marathas became a formidable force, exerting influence over a vast territory, indicating the shift from Mughal to regional dominance. Mysore and Awadh played significant roles in resisting external influences and maintaining regional autonomy. Examine the impact of battles, especially the three battles of Panipat, on Indian politics. Answer: First Battle of Panipat, 1526, established Mughal rule in India, signifying a shift from Afghan to Mughal dominance. Second Battle of Panipat, 1556, solidified Mughal power under Akbar, expanding their territorial reach. Third Battle of Panipat, 1761, marked the beginning of the end for the Maratha Empire and paved the way for British dominance. Assess the state of art, architecture, and culture during the decline of the Mughal Empire. Answer: regional art and culture. As the Mughal influence waned, regional courts became centers of art and culture. Languages and literature, development of Urdu and regional languages, and flourishing of regional poetry and literature. Architectural developments. Despite the decline, some architectural endeavors continued, reflecting regional styles. Describe the education system and its societal implications in 18th century India. Answer: types of institutions, pathshalas, maktabs, and madrasas, catering to different segments of society. Curriculum, focused on religious texts, languages, mathematics, and philosophy. Societal role, education was a privilege of the elite, reflecting societal hierarchies and values. Comment on the advent of European powers in India during the 18th century. Answer: initial trade relations. Europeans, mainly the British, French, Portuguese, and Dutch, established trade relations through their companies. Military and political involvement, gradual involvement in local politics, leading to territorial control and laying the groundwork for colonial rule. Discuss the Jagirdari crisis and its impact on the Mughal Empire. Answer: revenue collection issues, inefficiency and corruption in revenue collection weakened the financial stability. Jagirdars' power, increased power of Jagirdars led to less control by the central authority. Impact on peasants, heavy taxation and mismanagement caused distress among peasants, leading to revolts and instability. Examine the role of women in the societal structure of 18th century India. Answer: patriarchal society, women had limited rights and were often confined to domestic roles. Influential women in royal families. Some women in royal families, like Jahanara Begum, played significant roles in politics and culture. Social practices like sati and child marriage were prevalent, reflecting the societal norms and values of the time. Evaluate the strategic importance of Panipat as a battlefield. Answer: geographical location. Panipat, located in the northern plains, was a strategic location for armies entering India from the northwest. Historical significance. The site of three pivotal battles, it was a decisive location for establishing and challenging major empire in India. Analyze the impact of Nadir Shah and Ahmad Shah Abdali's invasions on the Indian subcontinent. Answer: plunder and economic drain. These invasions led to massive plundering, significantly weakening the Mughal economy. Political vacuum. created a power vacuum in northern India, hastening the decline of Mughal authority and paving the way for regional powers to assert control. Outline the development of languages and literature during the decline of the Mughal Empire. Answer. Rise of Urdu. Urdu emerged as a prominent language, especially in poetry and literature. Regional languages. Flourishing of regional languages like Marathi, Bengali, and Tamil, reflecting regional cultural identities. Assess the role of caste councils and their impact on the social fabric of 18th century India. Answer. Regulatory role. Caste councils regulated social conduct within communities, maintaining traditional norms and practices. Impact on social mobility. These councils reinforced caste hierarchies, limiting social mobility and preserving the status quo. Critically examine the agricultural practices and land revenue systems in 18th century India. Answer. Agricultural practices, predominantly subsistence farming with some commercial crops, faced issues like fragmentation and lack of technology. Land revenue systems. Various systems like zamindari, mahalwari, and rayatwari, each with its intricacies, impacting the economic condition of peasants. Prelims MCQs. Who was the founder of the Asafjah dynasty in Hyderabad? A. Kilich Khan, Zulfikar Khan, Mubariz Khan, Asaf Jah. Answer. A. Kilich Khan. What was the primary aim of the Marathas under the leadership of the Peshwas in the 18th century? A. To establish control over all of India. To regain control over the region of Maharashtra. To challenge Mughal rule in northern India. To spread their influence over Gujarat and Malwa. Answer. B. To regain control over the region of Maharashtra. Which Mughal emperor abolished jizya during his reign? A. Jahandar Shahab, Farrukh Siak, Bahadur Shah Ed, Muhammad Shah. Answer. B. Farrukh Shiar. Ranjit Singh, who established a strong kingdom in Punjab, belonged to which misal? A. Sukarchakiya Misal B. Ramgadi Misal C. Ahluwalia Mis. Fulkian Misal. Answer. A. Sukarchakiya Misal, which Rajput ruler tried to promote widow remarriage but failed. A. Raja Savai Jaya Singhab, Prashuram Bhok, Maharana Pratapad, Rana Sanga. Answer. A. Raja Savai Jaya Singh. Who among the following was a prominent Malayalam poet under the patronage of the Travancore rulers? A. Tayumanawab, Kanchan Nambyak, Waris Shad, Shah Abdul Latif. Answer. B. Kanchan Nambiar. Which Mughal emperor was known for building the Pink City of Jaipur and several astronomical observatories? A. Akbar Ib, Shah Alam Ek, Aurangzeb, Savai Jaya Singh. Answer. D. Savai Jaya Singh. Which of the following European powers first established a factory in Surat? A. The Dutch, the French, the British, the Portuguese. Answer. C. The British. During the 18th century, which state became the center of Sanskrit learning and literature? A. Mysore, Bengal, Travancore, Kashmir. Answer. Sirka, Travancore. The system of subsidiary alliance was introduced by which Governor General? A. Lord Dalhousie, Lord Wellesley, Lord Cornwallis, Lord Curzon. Answer. B. Lord Wellesley. The Battle of Buxar was fought in which year? A. 1757B, 1764C, 1772D, 1780. Answer. B. 1764. Who was the ruler of Mysore during the Third Anglo-Mysore War? A. Hyder Alib, Tipu Sultan, Krishnaraja Vodeyar Eid, Chikka Krishna Raja Vodeyar. Answer. B. Tipu Sultan. The Treaty of Allahabad was signed after which significant event in Indian history? A. Battle of Plassab, Battle of Buksak, Third Battle of Panipad, Revolt of 1857. Answer. B. Battle of Buxar. Which Maratha ruler founded the Gwalior state? A. Sindhia, Holkar, Gayakwad, Bhonsle. Answer. A. Sindhia. The decline of the Mughal Empire can be attributed to Aurangzeb's policies. Which policy had the most significant impact on the empire's stability? A. Expansion into the Deccan, implementation of jizya tax, establishment of new trade routes. D. Alliance with European powers. Answer. A. Expansion into the Deccan. The rise of regional powers in the 18th century was a direct consequence of which factor? A. The establishment of European trade companies. B. The decline of centralized Mughal authority. C. The intervention of external invaders. D. The economic prosperity of the regions. Answer B. The decline of centralized Mughal authority. The socio-economic conditions in 18th century India saw a contrast between rich and poor. What was the primary cause of this disparity? A. The rise of regional languages and literature. B. The implementation of the zamindari system. C. The decline in traditional handicrafts. D. The influx of European goods. Answer B. The implementation of the zamindari system. How did the battles of Panipat impact the political landscape of India? A. They led to the consolidation of British power. They marked the rise of the Maratha Empire. They significantly weakened the Mughal Empire. They established the dominance of regional kingdoms. Answer Sirka. They significantly weakened the Mughal Empire. The educational system in 18th century India was reflective of societal values. What does this system primarily indicate? A. The rise of scientific thought. B. The dominance of religious and philosophical education. C. The promotion of egalitarian principles. The focus on technical and vocational training. Answer B. The dominance of religious and philosophical education. The advent of European powers in India during the 18th century had multiple impacts. Which area was most significantly affected? A. Military strategies. B. Agricultural practice. C. Art and architecture. Trade and commerce. Answer D. Trade and commerce. Thanks for watching.